Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a magnetic metallic 2015 Ford F-150 4x4 Crew Cab XLT, stock number A6761. You've got factory fog lights and heavy-duty tow hooks. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tire. You've got this great chrome XLT badge here. There are running boards. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger F-150. You've got this great FX4 off-road decal here, and we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a trailer hitch. You've got backup sensors on the bumper and a backup camera here. There is a hard tonneau cover. And then coming down inside the truck bed, as you can see, it is very clean back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door here. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. To the left of the steering wheel, you've got a button here for a power adjustable pedal. And then as we take a step inside, coming to the left of the steering wheel, you can see your cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a 4x4 turn dial control, and you've also got an integrated trailer brake control here. And then over to the center, you have your hill descent and traction control here. There is a touchscreen display with a CD player and AM/FM radio. You've got capabilities for XM radio, and this is also where your backup camera will show. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating. You do have a USB port, an auxiliary port, and an SD card input back here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 5-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage will get you around 21 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this F-150 or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.